Hey everyone, this is sort of a long lost video that I just rediscovered I had on my hard drive from 2013. It's a video of me doing a full head tightening on my signature non-sewn beaded weft hair extension technique. I have since made a much more in-depth video that I'm currently editing, but I figured I would upload this one for clients and stylists alike to have something to reference until I finish my newer one, which will be featured in my new training series coming soon. I'm not going to do too much explaining in this video, and I'm going to keep it more visual for you guys so I can focus on my new video. But just for some backstory, these extensions are 4 weeks grown out on medium to fine hair. As you can see, I'm combing out all of the hair that is naturally shed within that 4 weeks. We as humans naturally shed about 50 to 150 strands of hair per day, and when they're stuck in the beads, they have nowhere to go. So the tightening process involves brushing out these hairs and pushing the bead up so the extensions feel secure again. These extensions had a beautiful grow out. They stayed flat, there's no hot spots, no bald spots, and all the beads held on tight. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe so you can be updated on my upcoming videos, and I hope you'll shoot me a thumbs up on this one for digging it out of the treasure box. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.